In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Monday.com, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to add a tags column, create and manage tags, and quickly filter your board to focus on exactly what matters. Start by logging into Monday.com with your usual credentials. Once you're in, open the board where you want to organize your work. Any board with items and columns will do. Tags are great for grouping tasks by theme, campaign, priority, or any custom label your team recognizes. On the right side of your table, look for the plus icon that lets you add a new column. Click that, then choose More Columns to open the full column library. From there, select Tags. This adds a dedicated tags column to your board ready for flexible labeling. To create your first tag, click any empty cell in the tags column. Type the tag name you want and press enter to add it. If a tag with the same name already exists, you'll be able to pick it from suggestions, which keeps your labeling consistent across items. Short, clear names work best. Think Q1, urgent, or design review, and try to use a consistent naming style so searches and reports stay clean. You can add more than one tag to the same item. This is perfect when a task belongs to multiple buckets, like a specific client, a product area, and a priority. Just keep typing and pressing enter to stack as many tags as you need. If you make a typo or want to improve clarity later, click the small pencil icon next to a tag name to rename it. Changes apply wherever that tag is used, so you maintain one source of truth. If you need to remove a tag entirely, first clear it from every item that uses it in the tags column. A practical way to track those items is to filter your board. At the top of your board, use the search or filter bar, type the tag's name, and click it. Your view will narrow to only the items with that label, making it easy to edit or clean up. Filters are also powerful for everyday work. Use them to review workloads, prepare updates, or build focused views for meetings. That's it. You've added the tags column, created and edited tags, assigned multiple tags per item, removed unused ones, and filtered your board by tag to stay organized and in control.